Let me show you step by step how you can create a Gmail email ID so that you can send and receive emails. Open your web browser on your laptop or on your mobile phone. The process is same. And then type here gmail.com. I'll add a link to gmail.com in description of this video. So if you want, you can click on that link and come directly here. And then you'll see this page here. Click here on create an account. You will find this option here on the left side or here on the right side too. Both are same. So click here on create an account. Now you need to enter first name here. Second name is optional, so you can leave it. Then click on next. Then from here enter your date of birth and select your gender. Then click on next. And now you need to choose your Gmail username. This will be a unique name of your email ID. Nobody else can have similar name. So choose a unique name. For example, I will choose abhishek@gmail.com. And if you click on next, you will see this username is not allowed because this name is already taken. Try to change some names here. So try to add some number or your surname here or your last name or anything else which make it a unique name which is not already taken. So for example, if I want to create an email ID for my business or for this YouTube channel, I will not enter my own name. I can say Techmaster. Then you can see here I have added this dash here which is not allowed. So simply I will remove this dash and I will say dot. Then I click on next and you can see this name is already taken. So change it accordingly until you find an available username. Then click on next. So it was available. And then you need to enter a password here. Make sure to use a strong password. Do not use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or your date of birth because that will increase the chance of your email ID hacked. Once you choose a strong password here, click on next. And then if you want just to add a security layer in case if you lose the password or access of your Gmail ID, you can recover it by using another email ID if you already have. I already have another email ID. I will add that here. If you do not have an email ID, you can skip this step and just click here on skip. Then you need to enter your mobile phone number and then click on next. If you want, you can click on skip. You do not need to use your mobile phone number. However, I recommend you to add your phone number. In case you lose your account, you can always recover it from your phone number. And then click on next. And then Google will ask you to verify the phone number. They will send a code. So you can click on send and receive a code and verify a number. But for now, we'll just click on not now. And then Google will ask you to review account info. And then click on next. And then click on express personalization. Click on next. And then there is a page where Google will show you that what data they're using and how they're going to use the data. Then click on confirm. And then privacy and terms, click on I agree. And you can see so easily we have created a Gmail ID. So now you can use this email ID for various purposes. So let me very quickly show you how you can send an email using your Gmail account. So if you want to send an email, click here on compose. Now here in this section 2, you need to enter the email ID of the person to who you want to send an email. So we'll add email ID of somebody and then we'll add a subject. A subject can be anything. For example, you want to send a document, you can just say document. You can choose not to add anything in subject, but I recommend you to add a subject because in some cases your email might go to spam or person will think it's a spam email. So it's always good to add the subject to an email. And then you can continue writing the email. Please find the attached document. And you can see the Google is already completing the sentence for you. You can click on tab button on your keyboard and then the whole sentence is created for you. And now let me show you how you can attach a document or a file to an email. So click here on attach files and then file browser will open and then you can choose the image or a document from your computer or from a mobile device to attach to this email. So I'll go to document folder and I will choose this file, select on the file you want to attach, then click on open. It can be any kind of file and then I click on send. All the emails you send from email ID, you can click here on send and then you will see all the email you sent in the past from your Gmail account. And when you click on inbox, all the new emails will be shown here. I hope this video is useful for you. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody who want to create a email ID. And if you want to improve your technical skills, please watch these 2 amazing videos on your screen.